Okay, hey guys, so today we are going to be fidget shredding. Okay, so there's the other girls' fidgets, and my fidgets are over off to the side, so you can't really see them, but you'll see them when I trade them. Okay, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to Hey Sully. Okay, so first I'm going to be trading this spinny dimple. Going once, going twice. Oh my god, me. Okay, what's your offer for this? My offer would be this Batman dimple. Please add one more small thing because this spins. See, it spins, guys. It looks cool. Okay, I'll add this tricolored marble mesh. Okay. Accept. There you go. Thank you. That was a good trade, guys. Look what I got. It's like a Batman dimple. And it has suns on the pops. And this side's blue. But this side doesn't have the suns on it. And it's a tricolored marble mesh. Okay, I'll put those over here because that's where my fidgets are. Okay. Next, she's going to trade. Okay, I'm going to trade this. Going once, going twice, 3 times. Me. Is that a puppet bracelet? Yeah, but it's a little big. It's okay. I love those. Okay, I will give you a dimple. Add. Okay, I will add this black bike chain. Accept. Actually, can you add a little bit? I'll add this. Accept. I think I was kind of over on that one, but this pops really good. Like, it pops so good. Okay. And I got this zippy bracelet. See? It's a zipper. Okay. I'm going to trade this strawberry Nido. Boing. And boing. And this is squishy too. The stem. See, it's a Nido, guys. Sorry if my lighting's bad. But trading strawberry Nido. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Me. I love that Nido. Okay, then offer. Okay, I will offer this really good Pop It. Oh my god, I'm going to accept. I'll accept too. Guys, I think I kind of just scammed her, but I think she really wanted it. Because this pop's really good. Listen. And that was the good side. This is the bad side, but it's not really bad. It's good. Okay. Now, she will trade something. Okay, I'm going to trade... what am I going to trade? I'll trade this mini. She's going to trade this mini heart puppet. Going once, going twice, going 3 times. Me. That's like one of my dream fidgets. I don't have any mini puppets. Okay, I will give you this blue square puppet. This orange marble mesh. And this yellow and blue monkey noodles. Accept. Oh my god, this is so good. Yeah, she just kind of scam me, but it's okay because I love this. She didn't really scam me because I added all that, but I love it. Okay, I'll give her her stuff now. Put it over there where her stuff is. Now I trade something. I'll trade this Nito, but it's in like this wrapping, and it turns to blue. You can make it turn to purple too, see? And then it turns to blue. I love it. It's one of my favorites, so she's going to have to add a lot. It's my favorite stress ball. Going once, going twice. Me. That's like my dream stress ball. Yeah, it's my favorite too. So you're going to need to add a lot. That's okay, because it's my dream, so I will. I'll add this textured heart poppet. So it has the ABCs on it. This cat textured monkey noodle. This orange Nito, just basic orange Nito. And this birthday cake. And it, see, it's a birthday cake stress ball, but inside of it, oops, if you squeeze it like that, it has a present and it has a bunch of sprinkles all in it and glitter and stuff. So yeah, please add. This is my favorite. And you could even take it out of the thing. See, it's kind of broken here so that you can take it out. Oh, that's cool. I'll add this narwhal mochi. And the sun mochi. And this pink monkey noodle. Except. I love that trade. Look, we got a monkey noodle. Pop it. An orange Nito. Birthday cake. A textured monkey noodle. A narwhal mochi. And a sun mochi. Okay. So, I'm going to trade something that somebody's probably going to want to offer for. I got it at the Big E, and it's amazing. It's like 2-in-1 stuff. It's a poppet and a piggy bank, and you can hang it from your wrist. See, this is the wristband. It says stay with. I don't know why. It's a weird thing to say. It's a piggy purse. So, trading this piggy purse, going once, going twice. Me. I will trade you this Dimple Digit spinner. See, it pops really good on both sides. See, spinner. Spins really fast. This poppet bracelet. Puppet bracelet. Or it could be an anklet because it's kind of big. And this pop tube. It's really amazing pop tube. I'll add this really good flimsy wacky track. It's really loose, so it's good. Everybody loves it. Okay, except. Yes, I love all my new fidgets. I always wanted a pop tube. I love pop tube. Okay, now I'll let her offer or trade something. Okay, I'm running out of stuff, but I'll trade this. Dimple. It popped really good. Sorry, that's just my sister in the background choking on her own spit. Okay, so she's going to trade that. Oh, I guess she wants to add something. She's going to add this. I'm not taking it from you, girl. I'm just showing my camera. See, and then it does all this kind of stuff. And I love those. I've always wanted one. So, I'm going to trade you this Among Us Poppet. It pops really good on both sides, see? So I'll trade you that. This purple poppet pops good on both sides. Okay. Okay, and then I'll add this orange cat needle. I know I have a lot of needles, guys. And this purple marble mesh. Except. Oh my God, this dimple pops so good. I think that was a really good fair trade to me. And this is awesome. This is like one of my dream fidgets. Okay, I'm gonna trade this DNA ball. It's a really good, sparkly, shiny DNA ball. Going once, going twice. Oh my God. May, that's like one of my dream fidgets. I will trade you this pink poppet. It's kind of bad on the bad side, but it's really good on the good side. So I'll trade you that. I'll trade you this gray marble mesh and this green marble mesh and this stress ball that squishy that could go on your pencil and this octopus poppet. It's really good on both sides. Look how good it is. Okay, I'll trade you those. Except, deal. Oh my God, this is so good. This is, okay. But these are awesome too. But this is hard to squish. Okay. Now I'm going to trade something to somebody. I'm going to trade this blue bike chain. Hold on, guys. Let me just get some better lighting in here. Open like curtains. Little better. Okay. So I'm going to trade this blue bike chain. This spinning, shiny, metallic dimple, and it's really good on both sides. And this simple dimple with an octopus on top. And it's a tricolored one. And this baby orange monkey noodle. And this dog eye popper. And the shaggy needle. I'm trading a lot because I'm trying to get new stuff. And I think that's all of my old stuff. Like my really old stuff. Oh, and I have this mini wacky truck from a long time ago that I'm gonna put in the pile. Can you guys see the pile? Here, let me face this up more. There we go. That's a little better. Okay. Oh, and I have this gumball needle. I'll put that in the pile. Yep, I think that's all. Oh, and I have this pink monkey needle. In the pile it goes. Okay. Oh, and I have this Zuma. I forget what it's called, but it's squishy. Okay. They're gonna trade me this. It's 2 zippy bracelets combined. This. My spinny dimple back. All of these monkey noodles. But I love monkey noodles, by the way. Oh, they're giving me my Among Us poppet back. Cat needle. 2 marble mesh, orange and purple. And this strawberry needle again. And then they're gonna trade me this snapper. It's a blue snapper. Sometimes it gets stuck. There. And this cool poppet bracelet. Like the pops are like shaped like pyramids, kinda. So that's kind of cool, I thought. Okay, I accept. They accept too. Geez, I just got a bunch of new fidgets. Some of them were my old ones, but I got a bunch. So, I think that's going to be all for today. So, bye, Silly fans. Before I go, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so that you get the notification when I post new videos. I'll post another one in a few hours. Bye!